Meet Dave, who took his 2 teenagers to visit their grandmother, Susan. While watching TV, an ad came on for free medical equipment, no out-of-pocket costs. Dave was excited, but Susan knew better. She had friends who fell for this scam. They gave out their Medicare number and ended up with equipment they didn't need. Worse, the criminals charged thousands of dollars in false bills to Medicare. Here's another trick. Sometimes there are free health screenings at grocery stores, health fairs, the mall, and people may even approach you in parking lots. You may get a quick test, but thieves get something more valuable: your Social Security and Medicare numbers. They can charge for unnecessary equipment and services, and you can later be denied medical services. Remember, no one from Medicare will ever call you to ask for your Social Security or Medicare number over the phone. Just hang up. Treat these numbers like credit cards. Protect yourself from fraud. Make sure to carefully check your medical bills and Medicare summary notices. Be on the lookout for equipment, medications, or services that you never received, incorrect dates, duplicate billing, or anything that seems suspicious. First, call your healthcare provider. It may be a simple mistake. If the situation is not resolved, call the Senior Medicare Patrol at 1-877-808-2468. If you suspect any type of fraud, contact the Office of Inspector General's Fraud Hotline at 1-800-HHS-TIPS. You can also report online at oig.hhs.gov/fraud/hotline.